Sarge, go to your room. No, go to your room. Go to your room. No, get up. Come on. Come on, go to your room. Which one I grab your collar? Sarge, you have to go back to your room. You have to go back to your room, buddy. Yes, you do. Come on, go to your room. Come on, go to your room. Come on, go to your room. Let's go. Let's go. All right, sis, you're going to get your collar. Why are you dropping and rolling? I say go to your room. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's how we got to go in our room. Come on. Sarge, get in your room. Go. The hell's wrong with you? Come on. Come on. Your room. Go. Go to your room. Go to your room, Sarge. Go. I'm going to get your collar. Get up. Go. Come on. Ready? You just like to slide. You just like to slide? Okay, here we go, inside your big head. Here we go, inside your big head. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. No, stop dropping and rolling. Come on. Come on. Go. I didn't say drop. Boy. Silly. Boy, are you silly. I need crackers. I need crackers. Yeah, Daddy's got those cheese crackers. Come on. Get up. Get up. Come on. See, I would just grab his collar, touch his collar, he drops him off. See his treats? Tell him go to his room, Ma. Tell him go to his room.
You gonna go to your room? These are different cheese crackers.
He's waiting.
Does that make you feel better? Here. Easy. Easy. Good boy. Good boy. I'm a good boy. Is that good? Huh? Is that good? Huh?
One more, that's it. You gotta go to your room. Come on. Go to your room. Grandma got your cracker, you gotta go to the room.
Is that good? Huh? Good boy. Easy. Up some water.
Come on, no more.